to say I hear on your league no ebe sounds ako ya dia FIFA ama FIFA sounds album ama cast as the who betim
normalization
yeah anita make us yeah kwame anita make us say ene over bebie na ma nations proper ade ba akope as the game we will replay and I say they will get the 3 points
the nations
yeah because they believe say because of their safety omo nkwa mu say na omo enkwa a threat and this hard there some people game and I say game omo to aso omo be and got 3 points omo dey to no man secure omo nkwa first kwame eno dey kwame enkwa sabi yenton ena ye ka say Mr. Beman dey wire waku ajani into makwa ajani omo betimi asa atias abere abekumbium ni mo ye na nkobi eto ya kwamsa ni ba ko timi emereden the next game ebium Benny kwame do make asem wo say footballs kwame de man ye and he say we ket any FA no na man hweye na kwame ruling ne ba na say nkoba replayer kwame and the team betime akano Gold Stars because the Holy Stars they were fighting because they wanted to stay in the Ghana Premier League and they among left from right in the sense that relegation we see 3 teams and a combo Accra Lions, Lagos Cities and Amsterdam. Me saying echo. What it means is that Holy Stars kwame omo pa omo next game by 10 goals to 0. Omo relegation and league no kwame from ase obani ase from be 5th eba nyina no. Unya kapre and free league. So what it means is that for them kwame they don't say that one is being secured. And then the FA neba August Yembori player. Once we Holy Stars you may be tempted to go and play replay because nothing is binding you. You have nothing to lose.
Sure.
But Gold Stars no open league na no. I don't know kwame say give one mobile. And na aboa efere say e ko wini moko. Na kotre na abochi na betu be free. And the Gold Stars etin be back win the game against Bekum Chelsea. What does kwame uji tum say kroje ananya kroje kwame uni prove. O de make na say and the nations akobotia Holy Stars now Gold Stars and pipe said that game no and that draw and I say nations lose game no cause much say nations at form by goal to 0 Holy Stars as a penalty or that game no to me on pipe on here ebam nan nations kwame emmo game ebiem because they feel threatened na if a phone ekobana maka cheze kwame and they so what pair the rules of the game now calling off the affairs that the game requirement is not in the hands of nations at that particular point in time and utie the man commissioner at the airport now kwame only be there and see for nations to call off the game kwame sana man commissioner at buy and the beyond so utie referee so kwame report no so e shame to be beyond so here e go to krojen. So what it means is that Utia or more now me in charge of the game na kwame. They saw nothing wrong with what happened on the field of play. They for the ruling and investigation that are there every phone they will make sure that they will dwell on sa report na be fee the commission or the referee the ejuma. Because ban sana kwame. On said nations don't pera be on side anchor. They will also be happy because Omuni say kwame their life and comments are genuine. Yeah, kwame because and they won't boy the BACR and Kenyan NJ. But football one and Mrano. FA also have to make sure that kwame they applied because you say a football man till Monday called Onji League. Kwame, so you say any kind of Onji League. Or message you know what they buy and Mr. Okay, now we are no partner now. Or see any seba. Not at the point emanations are. Got to conform almost air chair air the see from area. Now league requirement, young move because Omuni said Yanti will be also the a points. Because a bar said to a man emboli gribuno. Kevin my decided say, what boy tells that a man be a kwame on better points at few years or what. And I said they will award points to whoever will play against them. They do my dinner. And I will call for the latter. That said, they award the points. I'm awarding the point, and they record call. Any goals at the crime, how many points?
Krokoni Gold Stars.
2 points now. Gold Stars in your 3 points for not playing against Israelman. And to Kwame, Opa, so that I first start happen. You're 3 Cosco first on the league log. Yanti Nations 3 points, Kwame. Cosco ever sign on. Yanti Pond out of Lions 3 points. Cosco ever sign and after Cosco bomb we so our teams that's winning there. I benefit if he has a point, I benefit.
Okay.
And one the dynamics. And we are FA Kwame. The discipline committee. We are their committee Kwame. This is a test case for you. How you handle it, Kwame, go a long way because of the mechanic. All the court square buying almost some hour points, Kwame. I'm not sure to be called Mra. What the mechanic? It is some none of you should Kwame. And it means the 3 points should be awarded to Holy Stars. And Gold Stars, Kwame, almost ever continue to be at the top of Ghana Premier League.
Okay.
So this is for me what I'm saying, Kwame. The BNM, we have the moral grounds. Ese Kwame and Kwame, that morally, Kwame, that is it. Because you cannot put your life in danger. No, we say a man for Abraham. Already, what happened behind the gate? Yeah, my own Robert and near the Equus animal. So I'm waiting, Kwame. Me manage your investigation, me edge on. But I'm kind of Kwame, almost speedy up process. Me yeah, Kwame, ready? You can get everything that you need. By China Thursday, Kwame. Obo Emfa finals Emra Bonte.
Okay.
Because the final games I say about a few one because and the beer to the Kwame. Yeah, say yeah, Kwame. On bet me out beer. Also Mura. No man finals at the Babonte.
Me say, afei, mami mu okotoko.
Young boy.